Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the plugin name, your phone model, and Android or iOS version so you know which removal path applies. Once done, back up photos and app data to cloud or a computer and make sure battery is above 50% so the process doesn't fail. Next, open Settings, go to Security or Device Administrators, and revoke the plugin's admin rights. This unlocks the uninstall option and prevents reactivation during removal. You now remove the plugin through the app settings. Open Settings, Apps or App Manager, find the Security app, then choose Uninstall. If the button is grayed out, first clear data and force stop, then try uninstalling again. If the plugin is pre-installed and non-removable, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party extensions or use ADB on a computer to uninstall the package. These approaches prevent the system from blocking removal and avoid factory resets. You finish by rebooting and inspecting settings for any remaining profiles, VPN, or device management entries tied to the plugin and remove them. Once cleaned, run an antivirus scan to confirm no stray components remain and restore app permissions you need. If uninstall fails, try safe mode again, use ADB removal from a trusted computer, and only consider a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. If problems persist, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.